Hey guys, in today's video, I'll guide you how to search and filter pets on starpets.gg. Now, make sure to log in your account and once you navigate the homepage of Starpets website, at the left side, click the filter icon here. Then you have to fill in your preferred characteristic of a pet you're looking. Like for example, the price is 0.42. So I'll just need to resize this. Then the type is pet. Then rarity is rare. Then properties is flyable and readable. Then the age is newborn and reborn. Now, once you are satisfied with the characteristic of a pet, just tap apply button. As you can see here, all the pets that has characteristic in our filter shown up. But if you're looking for specific pets, just tap quick search, then type the name of a pet you're looking. Like for example is cow here, and there you go. As you can see here, the cows are showing up because it met our preferred characteristic in our filter. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.